Hey, welcome to my VisionOS tutorials. Pretty excited because we're starting to get into some more complex vision functions. I've covered a lot of the basics. Now I'm going to cover some things that are more intermediate, things like playing videos and things that are actually going to make some fun apps. So today I want to cover video playing, how to use video players with AVFoundation and AVKit. So here I have my basic app here, the body, and in window group I created a new Swift file called PlayerView. That's right here. Now this is just code I found online, a basic video player. I won't read the whole thing, there's a lot of text here, but a quick thing that you can do if you have a Mac, and if you're on this VisionOS tutorial, you most likely have a Mac. I can show you a really quick way to copy from a screen cap. So you can screen cap this video and you can copy the text of the code here, and then you can paste that into your own Swift view. If you already know how to do that, you can skip this part, but let me just do that real quick. So press the command button, shift button, and the number 4, and you're gonna have a little target here where you can create a square. You hold down and create a square here, and that's screen cap. You're just capturing a screenshot. Then click done. It'll go to your desktop, and you're going to want to open this screenshot. You'll see the little text cursor here, and then you'll copy Command C, Command V. So you can easily copy that. Player view. Let's go back to player view and let's read through it a little bit. First of all, you want to make sure you import AVFoundation and import AVKit right here at the top of the Swift file. You're going to get a lot of errors if you don't do that, because we're going to be using AV functions. So you start with struct player view, UI view controller representable, and then there'll be 2 functions. This will be update UI view controller, which I'm not using right now, but the main function is make UI view controller, pass in context, and then UI view controller. So let container view controller equals UI view controller. Let player view controller equals AV player view controller. Let player equals AV player, and then your URL. So I'll get to that in a bit. Here are some configurations. Player view controller dot player equals player. Player view controller dot shows playback controls equals true. Player view controller dot view dot frame container equals container view controller dot view dot bounds. And I'll get to these in more detail in future videos, but you just want to take a look at these configurations. They're just some basic configurations. And then at the end of that, container view controller dot add child player view controller, container view controller dot view dot add subview, player view controller dot view, player view controller dot did move to parent container view controller. And this just adds the player view controller as a child to the container view controller. And then you just want to return container view controller. Now for this video, you can put a URL here from the web, but I ran this locally. And to do that, you go into your project here, you go into build phases, you want to just drag your MP4 file into copy bundle resources. So that's what I did here. And I already did that, so I'll cancel here. But basically, I copied this video called vert_aspect.mp4 into my copy bundle resources. So let's go back to my player. So here, when it asks for URL, I put bundle.main.url open parentheses for resource vert_aspect with extension mp4, and then an exclamation point in case it doesn't find the file. So that's all there is to it. Let's play it. Here's my VisionOS simulator, and this is the video. It's loaded up. So okay, there you go. My video file is now playing in my Vision app, and I'm going to go over playing videos in more details in future videos, but these are the basics. All you had to do was create a player view and then create some basic code to create an AV player, and then have a link to your URL for your video that you wanted to play. I've got more VisionOS content, I've got painting content, music content, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and browse around and see if there's anything you like. Thanks for watching.